Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a university roll number. This unique identifier is essential for nearly every aspect of your academic life, from registering for classes to accessing your grades. Typically, your university will assign this number after you have successfully completed your admission process and paid the initial fees. Make sure to keep all your application documents handy, as they will be needed for reference. After securing your admission, the next step involves thoroughly completing your university's application forms. Double-check all personal information to avoid any discrepancies, which could cause delays. You will usually need to upload digital copies of your high school transcripts, a valid identification card, and a recent passport-sized photo. Pay close attention to any specific formatting requirements for these documents to ensure a smooth submission. Once your application and payment are processed, your university will usually notify you about your roll number. This notification often arrives through your registered email address or is posted directly on your student information portal. It is a good practice to regularly check both these channels for updates. Most students receive their official roll number within 7 to 14 days after their final admission confirmation. Should you encounter any issues or delays in receiving your roll number, do not panic. First, reconfirm your application status on the official university website. If the problem persists, reach out to the university's admissions or student support office directly, providing your application reference number for quick assistance. Once you have your roll number, keep it safe, as it becomes your primary identifier for all future university interactions and essential academic processes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.